Hello friends, so many friends talking about the 40K cavitation and the 60K cavitation. So today let's talk more about the details about 40K and 60K. Please see till the end and I will show you more. What are the difference between a 40K and a 60K cavitation machines? The difference can be boiled down to the following. Firstly, 40K cavitation is a mainstream in the field of fat-reducing machine on the market in recent years. What does 40K refer to? Actually, 40K refers to the frequency of ultrasonic wave. After up to 40,000 Hz strong ultrasonic wave is emitted and enter human body, the epipulse cells will take powerful impacts and frictions will occur amongst them, which can effectively consume energy and water to shrink those cells. In addition, some cells will burst and be reduced when the sound wave vibrates them. In this way, this machine can help reduce fat. Its effectiveness is highly praised by most of our customers. The principle and working therapy of 60K are actually the same as 40K, but the noise produced by 60K machines is lower than that of 40K machines. The latter may cause customers to experience tinnitus during treatments. Second, they can penetrate the skin at different depths. Both a 40K and a 60K cavitation machine can reach fat in the deep skin layer, but the depths that they can go down the difference. By comparison, a 40K cavitation machine can go deeper into the skin. The power of a 40K cavitation is more concentrated, collective, and focused. This feature makes it more targeted. It can be said that it delivers a better effect on fat removal than a 60K cavitation machine. In general, instead of entangled in whether 40K or 60K is better, it is better to start with a cavitation machine that is suitable in terms of price, appearance, and sales, because the sooner you use it, the faster you can see the shaping effects. Firstly, it can blast, remove, and dissolve fat efficiently and sculpt the body curve. Secondly, it can speed up the discharge and metabolism of the body and enhance skin elasticity. Thirdly, it can reduce localized fat and relieve fat accumulation, pot belly, and thick types. Fourthly, it can warm up dead skin, promotes blood circulation, and eliminates body fat rapidly. Fifthly, it can help body parts having difficulties in fat removal, delivering amazing effects. Okay, dear MyChui friends, after introducing you about the 40K and 60K cavitation machines, have you decided which one you need? If you are still have any question, please leave comments and let us know so I can introduce you a best and the most suitable one for you.